Hi, this is Matt Navarre showing some of the new features in fmSearchResults version 3. My favorite feature, certainly, is the new FM Picker feature. Here's how this works. You have a field that you want a value in this case it's the vendor ID field, and a button next to it that says Select Vendor. Click that button and it pops up a window that only shows you records that use any kind of a search that you want, in this case where the isVendor field is equal to 1. And then I just click on the field and it populates here. It also works if you want to show any any record, and not filter on something. And then you can use the search capability. So if I want to search for Josh, I can just type that in and it shows me those records. Click one and it goes in. Even if you use it where it restricts to certain results, if you do a search, it will restrict your search within those results. So if here I do a search for Josh, it's only going to find the one because there's only one in this already small set. This feature is great because it's so easy to integrate. So here's all that's involved. On your layout, you have a button that runs a script and doesn't send any parameters. And then in that script, it clears the previous settings, and these are the only 4 things that you have to change. All the heavy lifting is done by an automated script in search results called FM Picker. And so all we have to do is specify what we're looking for. In this case, we're looking in table 1, which is the company table. Whether or not we're showing multiple results, in this case we're not. And then we're saying we're only looking in the isVendor field where the value is 1. Really easy. If I didn't want to search on these 2 things, I could just disable that. And now that exact same script would search for any, not just the isVendor equals 1. Very easy to do, and then turn it back on just by commenting those back in. Like so. Super fast, really easy to use. What's great is you can use this for other things, so not just something that's within the same context, but you can also add related lines. So this one here will search for products in a different table, and then be able to add that product right to the order like so. And another one that's great is the ability to have multiple lines. So if I click this one here, select email addresses, we saw that setting a minute ago for display multiple lines, and now it'll actually show me multiple selections, and I get a different choice up here. I actually have this OK and cancel. If I click OK, it actually grabs those multiples. And so here's how that script looks. Very simple. It just says multiple selection is on this time, and I'm not restricting my search by any specific field or any value. So really easy to use, really fast. All you have to do is duplicate one of these scripts and set these 4 things, and it's working in your solution once fmSearchResults is integrated. Thanks very much.